Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a very vintage Canadian chainsaw. That is the IEL Chainsaw HM model. This saw was made in 1955. It's 5.22 cubic inch. It is first year they introduced the all-position Tillotson diaphragm carburetor. Very nice saw for the collectors. This is the first saw that you could run in any direction, upside down or vice versa. This was a one owner, and I still have the original manual for it right there. And it's really got some great pictures in it, telling the story on this saw, how it was produced. Take a close-up look at some of the pictures here. Missing the front page, but still very interesting. Shows how the saw was produced, manufactured, and assembled. And it has all the part numbers, parts breakdown, and how to work on that saw, how to take care of your chain. Just some very good information with this too. And that comes with it. And we'll take a close-up look at this saw. I don't know if that's the correct bar and chain for this saw. That's what was on it. I think that might be the wrong pitch. It does turn over, but it's a little rough on there. It is an Oregon, very old Oregon bar, called an Oregon Armor tip saw bar. Still got the Oregon logo on it. Saw does start and run. If you're going to do any wood cutting with it or anything like that, you're probably going to have to do some carburation work. It has set for years. It's got the model serial number right here. Right there. Muffler's in great shape. Kind of a odd looking muffler. And it's got that, I haven't seen very many of these, got this extra little air cleaner on the top here, factory air cleaner. Gives it a little more clean air. And then there's that first all-position Tillotson carburetor. And it does run, but you're going to have to do some tinkering on it if you want to run it in the shows and stuff. I'm not going to be going out and cutting with it. I just don't trust that chain on that.